Triple pane windows and double pane windows are our two most popular selections. Here in Kansas City, generally what we see is a double pane option being sufficient enough to meet or exceed Energy Star's ratings per the climate that we live in, meaning that it's going to do what we want it to do based upon the temperatures and things that we're seeing here in Kansas City. Triple pane, of course, is an option. Generally speaking, it's not an option that most homeowners are requesting or asking for. And what we use is Energy Star's criteria. Again, making sure that we are meeting what it is that they say that we need to meet to be considered thermally efficient for the climate that we live in. If it were my personal home, I would be doing double pane windows all day. It's going to give me the thermal performance that we're looking for, and then when you pair that with an exceptional application process, you're going to receive, the thermal benefits with both of those things paired together. So just like with everything else that we do, things tend to get better, right? And Energy Star is doing the same thing. Even though our climate hasn't changed, their regulations in terms of what they consider to be thermally efficient are ever evolving. And what we're running into lately is that some of the glass manufacturers don't have the capability to meet Energy Star requirements with a double pane glass. So what that is doing is that's pushing us towards a triple pane, making sure that we're meeting what Energy Star says is now thermally efficient for the climate that we live in. If you select a triple pane glass, you may have the forethought in trying to keep up with what Energy Star, in the direction that Energy Star is headed in terms of tightening down what they consider to be thermally efficient for the climate that we live in.